Welcome to Manhattan College IT Services new student orientation. If you go to the manhattan.edu website, you can simply click on Current Students to get to InsideManhattan.edu, which is geared toward an internal audience. The quick links that you will see here can help you get so many of your questions answered on campus. I want to begin by letting you know where the ITS offices are located. We have offices on both North and South Campus. In Jasper office, you will find the ITS office located in the north end, in the basement. And in the RLC building, you will find the ITS office located in room 103C. As I mentioned before, from the InsideManhattan.edu website, you can navigate to IT Services. Let's focus on what is available on the ITS Services website. We are a G Suite for Education school, and that means we mainly use Docs, slide sheets, in addition to Gmail and Google Drive to support students. This quick link, Tutorials and Knowledge Base, allows you to view articles about software, services, and other technologies. We have the following software available for students for free download. MS Office 365. You can download up to 5 copies of MS Office 365 on your different devices. SPSS and MATLAB are also available for free. Check our website for a complete list of available software. IT Services can help students with computer troubleshooting, password reset, Wi-Fi issues, for example in your dorm room, and a host of other campus technology issues. Many of the services can be requested online through the service catalog. You can also check on any outstanding help desk tickets you may have by clicking on the Ticket Request category in the service catalog. Manhattan College also takes cyber safety very seriously. If you click on this quick link, you will find resources on exactly what to do if you click on a phishing scam. This quick link, ITS News and Outage Information, allows you to view updates about service outages and technology updates from the ITS blog. The Glance MC app gives you access to your Jasper card digitally. It lets you save your favorite services and faculty across devices and allows you to create a personalized planner to stay organized for your busy life. It is completely designed by Manhattan College students. Download it today to find out more because they are constantly adding new features to the Glance MC app. Emergency alerts. This quick link allows you to sign up to the E2 Campus Emergency Notification System. You must do this immediately. Once you're registered, you're going to be notified via text message and email of any emergency notifications, school closing, things of that nature. The campus directory is an excellent resource to allow you to locate any faculty or staff or administrators here on campus. The Self-Service tab allows you to check student records, pay tuition bills, and check your course schedule. Moodle is our learning management system. You will find course syllabus, outlines, and assignments for classes all located here, the Moodle Quick Link. The Library Quick Link provides many essential resources to support students in completing their coursework. You are able to look at the academic calendar in addition to events calendar from the Manhattan College website. You are also allowed to download these calendars into your personal Google Calendar just to make scheduling easier. It is also possible to request residence hall repairs, housekeeping, physical plant, and technology right through the InsideManhattan.edu website. Thanks for watching. We hope this answered many of your IT questions. and look forward to supporting you at Manhattan College. Welcome aboard.